Okay, startup number 2. Gonna crank it a few times, try to get some fuel in my filter here. I'll be able to see it sloshing around. And then I'll put the choke on and start it up. Okay, you saw the fuel stop sloshing in there. I believe that means I have pressure now, so there should still be some fuel in the carb from last time. So let me put the choke on and start it up. Okay, the tapping noise is gone, so that's good job. It's not idling well, so I need to hook a timing light up because when I stabbed the distributor back in, I just kind of took a picture of where it was before, and I don't know, it's probably not set right. So I need to block off the vacuum line and hook up my my timing light. All right, I set my initial timing at 10 degrees for now. Idle a little better. I still had to crank in on the idle stop a lot to get it to idle, so I need to adjust my mixture screws. But for now, I can get it running. It's kind of sorry about it so dark in here. It's idling now. Wants to die. Got oil pressure, water temp is up now. Definitely needs the idle fixed. All right, so far so good. Definitely needs to be tuned. I noticed that my taillights aren't working right. I haven't turned this thing on in so long. The brake lights come on, but the turn signals, they're sequential. They just come on once. Actually, they don't even come on at all. But if I step on the brake, then it comes on once and shuts off. So I'm hoping that module was not fried. I don't want to have to replace all that in the back, but it's, you know, it's all custom stuff on there. So I'm kind of done for tonight. I'm just going to let it sit, and then I'm going to come back and check for leaks. I checked the temperature on all the on the headers, make sure that was not misfiring. But I definitely need to fix that mixture. So I'll do that tomorrow.